jopa hieman etuajassa matkaan. Lentoaika on tänään 2 tuntia ja 10 minuuttia. Sääennusteen mukaan Euroopan alueella hyvä odottamassa tasaista matkaa ja Frankfurtissa näyttäisi olevan tuo aikaamme melkein pilvetön taivas. Kansaliohjelmassa perämies Raimo Suurkivi ja kabiinin toimittaja johtaa Teija Fagerström. Koko miesten puolesta erittäin paljon tervetuloa lennolle. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, your captain. My name is Janne Vesala. Welcome aboard this Finnair flight to Frankfurt and this Airbus 350 aircraft. The loading of the aircraft is still in progress, otherwise we are ready, so I suppose we will depart. Latest on our scheduled time today might be 5 minutes ahead. Our flight time is 2 hours 10 minutes. Weather, I got the reports, seems to be good all the way to Frankfurt. We expect a smooth ride. And on our time of arrival at Frankfurt, weather is very good. With me here at cockpit today is co-pilot Raimo Suurkivi and chief of cabin today is Teija Fagerström. On behalf of whole crew, welcome aboard. Have a great flight. Thank you.
Welcome on board Finnair. Before departure, we would like to focus on safety. Please follow this video closely, as we will be demonstrating the safety features of our aircraft. Smartphones and other handheld electronic devices may be used from gate to landing in flight mode and in normal mode after landing. All other electronic devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed for takeoff and landing. Make sure that your armrest is in the down position and your seat back is upright. Please open your window shade and stow your tape. If you're seated in business class, please make sure that all loose items are stowed, including your remote control. If you're seated in economy class, also make sure that your video screen is stowed. Your safety belt is fastened by inserting the metal end into the buckle like this. Tighten the belt firmly. To open your belt, lift the metal buckle. Your safety belt must be fastened during takeoff, landing, and at all times during the flight when the safety belt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your safety belt fastened throughout the flight, as unexpected turbulence may occur at any time. For your own safety, we kindly ask you to avoid spending excess time in the aisles and exit areas during the flight. You must comply with all posted placards and lighted signs in the cabin. If your mobile device gets caught in the seat mechanism, do not move the seat. Ask the crew for assistance. In case your electronic device overheats or your video screen is malfunctioning, contact the crew immediately. All our flights are non-smoking, and under aviation law, smoking is forbidden in the lavatories. This also applies to electronic cigarettes. Your cabin crew has been trained to ensure your safety on board. You must always follow the instructions given by the crew. If the cabin pressure drops, the oxygen masks will automatically appear above your head. Grab the nearest mask or the red flag, pull down sharply and put the mask on as shown. The bag may not inflate even though oxygen is flowing. Always put your own mask on first, then you may help others. If you're seated in business class, your life jacket is located in a compartment underneath your seat. In economy class, your life jacket is in a container under your seat. Put the jacket over your head, fasten the buckle in front, and tighten the strap. Inflate the life jacket only when you leave the aircraft. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits, which are all marked with green and white exit signs. All exits are equipped with slide rafts. Escape lights at floor level lead to these exits. Your cabin crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Please pay close attention to the location of your nearest exit, bearing in mind that it may be behind you. You must adopt the emergency position when instructed to do so. It is important to bend forward and downwards and as low as possible. In case of an emergency, it is also
set for takeoff.
Jos avaat matkatavarahyllyn, oletan varovainen, ettei tavaroita putoa. Muistutan, että tupakointi ja sähkötupakan käyttö ei ole sallittua. Our captain has switched off the safety belt sign, but it's best to keep your safety belt fastened while in your seat. If you open an overhead locker, please be careful not to let items fall out. Please remember that smoking or using electronic cigarettes is not allowed